Welcome to the fashionable film city Bollywood movie or Bollywood fashionable film city, and I am Thaka Einstein, and today with traveling in the Bollywood film city, I would like to talk about the relativistic addition of velocities. So let's see what is relativistic addition of velocities. So here you see, so we know that according to postulates of relativity, very high velocities cannot be added directly as in the classical mechanics because this violates the postulates of relativity, and such type of velocities must be added in a manner consistent with the Lorentz transformation. Now consider two frames of reference f and f dash. The frame f, dash moving with a constant velocity v relative to the frame s along the x direction. Let us consider a body move a distance dx in a time interval of dt in the frame f. Then the velocity of the body as measured by the observer in f is given by u equals to dx by dt. Now for the observer in frame f dash, both the distances and time interval will appear different. So here we consider the distance measured by observer in f dash is dx dash and time interval is dt dash. Now for the observer in f dash, the velocity will be given by u dash equals to dx dash by dt. Now we know that from the Lorentz transformation, x dash is given by in Lorentz transformation we can write x dash equals to x minus vt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square, and t dash equals to t minus xv by c square under root 1 minus v square by c square. So differentiating these two equations, we get dx dash equals to dx minus v dt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square, and dt dash equals to dt minus v dx by c square divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square. Hence we have u dash equals to dx dash by dt dash equals to dx minus v dt divided by dt minus v dx by c square equals to dx by dt minus v divided by 1 minus v by c square into dx by dt. So we can write u dash equals to u minus v divided by 1 minus u into v by c square, because we have dx by dt equals to u. And classically we know that u dash equals to u minus v. So this equation 1 represents the velocity as measured by observer in f dash, that is moving frame. And classically this velocity addition formula is given by u dash equals to u minus v. In the same way we can show that velocity u dash with respect to frame s dash is given by in the same way we may show that if the velocity u dash with respect to frame f dash is given, then we can determine its value u with respect to f by the relation u equals to u dash plus v divided by 1 plus u dash v by c square. This is equation 2. Now if u dash equals to c, then from 2 we have u equals to c plus v divided by 1 plus cv by c square equals to c plus v divided by 1 plus v by c, or finally we get u equals to c. Thus both observers measures the same value for the velocity of light in their own frame. The velocity, thus we can say that the velocity of light is thus an absolute constant independent of the frame of reference. And this is one of the postulates of relativity which has been proved by this derivation. The above expression also shows that any velocity v added relatively to the velocity of light c merely reduces the velocity of light. It means that velocity of light is the maximum attainable velocity. Here we see that, so here we learn about the velocity addition, relativistic velocity addition. And I think you have enjoyed this lecture very much by visiting the Bangalore Film City. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you very much.